really quick and easy video. But I'm just going to chuck this one up as an extra video. So the handbrake on the Corsa is not amazing. Oh, excuse me while I get in the car. And the camera freaking picks up my face. There we go, it's like magic. Yes, it's not amazing. I'm rolling. 5, maybe 6 clicks. So it's dead easy to adjust, right? So I'm putting my foot on the brake for a start, so I don't roll. Handbrake off. Pull this cowling out of the way. Can you see that there? That is where your handbrake cable connects into the car. So I have myself a 10mm ratchet on lots of extensions. And I'm just going to tighten it up. Not so it's ridiculous, but you know, just to nip it. Come on. Put that trim back down. I'll adjust that afterwards. Now 4 is rock solid. Like, I ain't rolling anywhere. Right, off. I can roll the car with my foot. Nice and easy. You can see that outside. You can see that I'm rolling. 4. Solid. So it's just a case of tucking that trim back down and around. The leather's moved, but it's nearly there. Might have to do this when I've got more than one hand. Hold on. There we go. Nice and neat. I don't think it's supposed to be twisted the way it is twisted, but it's a freaking pain. That's not obviously an original part. Someone's obviously changed that to make it look a bit neater. But the stitching doesn't. I would have thought the stitching was supposed to come up the top. Oh no, it definitely goes around. Definitely goes around. There's two. Yeah, that should probably be twisted a bit more. Like so. Anyway, that's our handbrake. Dead easy. I got a bit off topic then. Spin this back round. So that was tightening up your handbrake cable. How easy was that? Anyone can do that. All you need to do is find where your 10mm socket is. So now I've given you a little bit of an extra video. Do me an extra favour. Go check out my website, bluudysgarage.com. I'll see you in the next video.